Can a marriage contract have the condition that the husband cannot benefit from the wife's properties, alive or dead? Dead is not alive.
So the woman is making a condition on the husband that the husband should not benefit from anything, from her stuff. What type of marriage is this? I don't understand that. I don't understand this. I mean, this is you're entering into a treaty between two countries who are in war, not a husband and a wife. But after your death, you're not allowed, because he becomes an inheritor. He takes half if there is no children, a quarter if there's children. Okay, it takes a half as an inheritor. But as to have these conditions, I think these conditions go against what is supposed to be the marriage is all about. Strong bond. Now, but there's a condition: don't touch my pillow. What? The condition: don't touch my. That's not correct. Don't touch my car. Okay, that's not right. Allahu A'lam, because it will go against the. Now, it has to be common sense.